Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am filming another quick and easy video. I'm still featuring the magical day because I am just in love with it. And honestly, I love all of them, but it seems like I'm just in love with that unicorn. So I think I've been doing so many with this one. So anyway, this is not going to be an exception. So it's again that one. This one is called Magical Day, and it comes, or actually it coordinates with the Magical Mate framelits, and so all of these pieces you can die cut with this ones. You can purchase them separately or together, but of course if you get them together as a bundle, you get 10%. And also another thing that I want to make sure you know is at the end of May 2018, these two are retiring. So do not wait until the end of May because they might stock out. I think they're very, very, very popular. I'm also even surprised that these are actually retiring. But anyway, so if you like them, if they are in your wish list, if you have little kids, this is the one to go. This is just so great. The other item that I am using today does not coordinate with this, but I think it goes really well, is the Rainbow Builder framelits. And it has these clouds, which is what I use for these clouds, as well as this one. You can see it's right there. I think this one is also perfect for that set. I actually didn't like the coordinating stamp set for this one, so for this one I only got the framelits because I love those clouds, and I think that this is just awesome. So, and by the way, this is also retiring at the end of the month, at the end of May. This one is Rainbow Builder framelits, and it's retiring as well. So if you get the other one, I highly recommend you get this one because it coordinates beautifully with this suite. Then, as I have been mentioning in my past videos, I've been using a lot. You can see it here. The glimmer paper that comes with it. This is Medicine Magic glimmer paper. It comes in 3 shades. You can see where I cut everything here. I feel like this is also another great item. And of course, there is a coordinating design series paper with this one. And what is really cool about that, I don't know, you can see, yeah, you can see some of it. It has some glimmery on one of the sheets, one of the sides of the sheets, and then the other one has it's just no glittery. So like in this case, the one that I'm using today, you can see the stars have some sort of glitter on it, which I think is great. And then on the other side, it's just nothing, which, I mean, both sides are always really cute. So let's just go for the card. This is Fresh Fig, and it is 5.5 by 8.5. Let's go ahead and fold it in half as usual. All right. Then I have a piece of sugar. Oh my goodness, I forgot the name of this one. Let me just tell you. A sugar. Oh, sweet sugar plum, I think it is. I'll have to check. I cannot think right now on names, but anyway, so let me, where would I even have that? It's just driving me crazy. It's one of those things that I'll have to look for it. Yeah, sweet sugar plum, sorry. I just, for a minute, got all, you know, like I completely forgot about it. Then I have, and I didn't say the measurement on this one, right? And this one I believe is 3.5 by 4 3/4. This one is 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. So you're gonna see a little border there. I have a piece already that I cut with the stitch ship framelits, which again I cannot get tired to tell you this is the best one to have because it has the ovals, the circles, and the squares. So it's just a great thing to have. And I've already die cut pretty much everything. I wanted to make this one as quicker as I could. So I have 2 of those clouds out of the Rainbow Builder, and I have these 2 sets of the skies, or clouds I should say. I also die cut this one with the coordinating with the magical, what was this? Magical Mate. So it is this one, so you get a banner that I think is great. And I also stamped with Memento ink, and I cut already the unicorn. So let's just get started here. I think that the first thing we're going to be doing, because that might take a little bit more, is coloring the little unicorn. And for this time I'm using these colors. So I think I'm going to start from the darker to the lighter. Let's just see if that looks how I put it in my mind. So I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think this one will be also that color. And then 1, 2, 3. And the same thing here. So let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next one will be, oh sorry, will be this one. And then we're gonna have the next one, which is gonna be, oh sorry, I keep moving the camera. And then here, then I'm just gonna do this little one. Then I'm gonna be doing this one. Then I'll have this one. And this one. Then I have this one. And that one. And then I'm going to be doing the final one with a lighter shade. And the lighter shade of pink. Here we go. And you know what? You hardly can see it, so I'm actually going to go back with a little bit with that one because you cannot really see it much. So anyway, I'm going to do cheeks, of course. And then I'm going to take the gray and then put a little bit of a shadow. I always like putting shadow on all my critters, you know, I don't know what it is. Okay, there we go. And I think this one is right there. And you know what? This one I'll put this like that. Now, of course, I'm going to be adding Wink of Stella because why wouldn't you? Seriously. Wink of Stella makes everything looks better. I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding you. Wink of Stella makes things go better. No matter what it is. And I'm going to be adding here. And the hair is right there. There we go. And so I'll let you see it close up. So here's how it looks. I mean, don't you like it? It goes real well with the colors here. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be doing is put this one. And I have Fresh Fig marker. I only want to put one of a kind. So I don't want to have UR. I just want to do the one of a kind. So I'm just coloring that section using the marker. So let's just make sure I have everything. I'm going to breathe on it. And then I'm going to stamp right there. Let's hope. Okay, perfect. I was like, oh, I don't know if it's going to make it. But it did. So, perfect. So now let's put everything together. I think that now we're ready. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to glue these two sections. Oh. Oh. All right. So I'm going to put it like so. Then I'm going to be putting this one here. And then this one, I'm just going to go however I want it. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm not going to go all the way to the edge because I know it doesn't touch all that. So I'm just going to go ahead and putting it like so because I wanted to cut this section. Okay. Then I'm gonna put this one. And you know what? I want this one in dimensional. So we're gonna put dimensionals on this. I want this one to be, so I need one more here and maybe another one here. So I want it to be like so, and then I'll cut the excess. I'm gonna put it right now here so that I can see exactly how I want it. There we go. Because that way I have some sort of dimension. Now this one I can already put it here, and that's what I'm going to be doing next. So let's just go ahead, before this gets too bulky or it is harder to put adhesive. Let's just put it like so. This one is right in the center. Perfect. Then I'm going to be having this one, I'm going to put it like so here. But see, I want this one under. Yes. So let's just do this one first before anything else. So I want this one to be like so. Then I'm going to be gluing this one. Like so. And then I want this one on dimensionals because I want some dimension in this one. So let's just go ahead and put this one. And you know what, before I do that, let me just see where this one will go. I think this one will go like so. Okay. So we'll put this one here. Now this one will also be on dimensionals. I'll put another one right here, and I think I need one of those little ones. And it's here. Let me just make sure I have all of them here so that I don't, because otherwise I'm gonna end up, I usually put them on the trash can because I hate having them all over the place. But oh well, we'll see how that goes. And so I'll put this one like so. I think this one looks nice. And I'll put this one, I think here. And so I think, do I like it there? You know what? I probably will cut a little bit from here. And a little bit there. So I wanted it skinnier. And then I'm going to redo this. And the same here. I think this one is, there we go. I think this one will be better. One of a kind. Now for this one, I don't want to have a race because I think I have already too many things raised. So I'm just going to go ahead and add, the sentiment like so. And here it is. I think it looks really nice. Don't you think? One of a kind. And it's true, it's one of a kind, right? So anyway, oh, you know what? I forgot to put Wink of a Stella on the little horn. you can do that. Anyway, that's pretty much it. And so here it is. Hope you like it. Like I said, I am in love with this suite. I'm so sad to see it go. I don't understand how is that we're retiring this one, because I feel like it's very popular. And like I said, even though these do not go with the suite, this is just perfect. The rainbow builder, what is this? Framelits are just perfect with this suite. So anyway, don't forget, if you like the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget about my online incentive, my ordering incentive, where whenever you place an online order using the hostess code of the month, you'll get a card kit that will be sent the following month, and it is to make 4 cards. I sent everything, die cut, punched, whatever is needed, except the stamping. I cannot send the stamping, so but you can use whatever you have available. So anyway, and if your order is $50 or more, then you'll get the accessory of the month. So don't forget about that. And I don't put the hostess code here because I don't know which month you're watching this, but you go to creatingwithali.com, and in every single post I have the hostess month, the hostess code, as well on the main page in my blog. You'll see it as well there. So you can go there, check what it is, and then place an order with me. Also, all the links to my online store is there. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.